मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज है एनिवर्सरी डे। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी।
Thank you. Happy anniversary to you too.
थैंक्स बेब्स। तो आज समता ने बनाया है हमारे लिए स्पेशल
Weekend
avocado,
breakfast.
weekend breakfast,
Eggs, bread and
avocado. So आज का
with
प्लान है,
chutney.
आज avocado के लिए ही आज हम today we will be going for avocado picking.
Yeah. Lemon, limes, orange and
Lemon, limes, orange and avocado. How far it is from here?
only 40 minutes, 45 minutes.
Okay. I don't even know कहाँ पे है, समता ने बुक किया है. तो let's see what the day has for us today. Other than that, then we'll go for good lunch somewhere, and we'll take it from there. See you guys. Lily of my pond. Not you, babes. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे भी लिली है. Can you see? This is the lily of my pond. ये भी है और एक और है, दो है. Another one. Yeah. But you are a lily of my big pond.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
do you come to do some picking?
Yes.
Well, we have citrus and avocados, and so because of that, citrus is generally a wintertime thing.
Yeah.
This is our last weekend that we're open, so
okay.
we'll close now, and then we open again in late May of next year.
And
Right.
When is avocado season?
Avocados goes from August through until December. But you'll see when you go down into the avocado orchard, you're more than welcome to go down and walk through the avocado orchard. You'll see quite a lot of fruit on the ground.
Yeah.
And so that's one of the reasons we're closing, so we can clean the orchard up and pick it before we lose too much more fruit onto the ground.
So when we, pick the avocados, how do you decide? Like, definitely not the ripe ones, overripe ones. So is it really solid when we pick from the tree?
Yep.
or
So
how?
avocado is one of the only fruit that don't ripen it on the tree at all. They
Oh,
mature. They get
okay.
mature, but they won't ripen. You have to pick an avocado
And
to be
then-
able to let it ripen.
Yeah.
And it takes, depending on the time of year, at this time of year, it takes about 7 to 10 days. In August, early in the season, it takes 10 to 14 days. So just that length of time to ripen changes.
Yeah.
But we don't open our avocados up for picking until they're ready, until they're mature.
So at the moment they are mature.
Yes, they are.
Okay.
Perfect.
So like,
I
how
came
do
here
you
for
know? So
avocados.
like, the color. Do you know when they are mature? How do you know that?
Oh, so we either pick them and taste them, and if
Oh,
they
pick the-
taste all right, or we you can do a dry matter test. And
Sorry, what's that?
It's called a dry matter test. It's where
Okay.
you test the fruit for the amount of dry matter in it,
Right.
and once it's above a certain level, which is about 21 or 22%,
Sure.
then they're right to go. But we go and taste. So we just pick.
You are experienced, so you know by taste.
So how do we go? We pay what we pick, or how do
Yep,
we-
so what we do is we try to keep it as simple as we can. It's all just based on the bag. So there's no entry fee. We don't weigh any of the fruit or anything like that. It's $35 for a bag, and it's just a flat fee. If you half fill the bag, it's still $35.
Okay.
We try and encourage people to fill the bag up because the fruit tastes so beautiful.
Yeah.
And there's quite a variety of citrus. The avocados are separate to the bag. They're $2 each.
And there is only one variety of avocados, or there more than that?
There's more than that, but at the start of the year, it's only the one variety, and then later in the year, like now, we're sort of getting towards middle end of the season.
Yeah.
We have a reed variety, which is a big round cannonballs.
Right. So let's have two of them,
Yep.
and we can have a trolley as well.
Yes, if you want the trolley, there's a trolley there. You can grab that.
Yeah.
And the lemons, so avocados are over there. You can pick whatever avocados you like. You go to the bottom of the hill around to the left. That whole block is open. Have a
Okay.
look through, pick whatever you like. And then in the bag, you put whatever combination of citrus you want.
Yeah.
So we have lemons down the bottom of the hill. Lemon season at this time of year is pretty well finished, but
Oh,
you have
okay.
you can look, there are a few lemons there. There's a lot on the
And what's
ground.
the variety?
Eureka lemons, and they're a seedless variety of
Oh,
Eureka.
that's
So
good.
there's no seeds. They have quite a few marks on the skin, but that's because we grow them quite close to the coast, and the humidity causes that. But it's only on the skin. Inside is beautiful. So,
I've heard that Mare lemon is the best one. Do you think you guys grow here? Or?
no, we don't, and it depends on your taste. Maya lemons don't have they're not quite as tart as a Eureka lemon.
okay.
They're much more gentle flavour. But if you want that real lemon punch, Eureka lemons are the way to go.
Okay.
So,
Lululemons.
Sorry.
Lululemons.
No, that's a clothing brand.
Oh,
Just kidding.
yeah. I see. Yeah, no, well, not there. Ours tastes better than that. Past the lemons,
I think-
the oranges.
I think there is finger lemons as well,
Finger
right?
lime.
Limes.
Finger limes, yeah.
Limes, yeah, that's
Finger
a native
limes.
thing. Yeah, we don't
Yeah.
grow those here for pick your own because I don't know whether you've ever seen a finger lime tree, but finger limes are all thorns.
All
Yeah.
thorns.
Yeah.
Oh.
All
It's
thorns.
a
There's the-
shrub, right?
Yeah.
It's
Oh
not
no,
a-
they grow up into a tree.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, and the limes, they're beautiful. It's like bush caviar. They're delicious.
Yeah,
They're
I
really
Right.
nice, but you
tasted
need
it,
to put
yeah.
welding gloves
Yeah.
on to pick them.
Oh wow.
Because they're all thorns.
Yeah, I didn't knew that. I definitely have tasted them quite a lot of
Yeah,
times.
they taste beautiful.
And
Usually,
different colours.
commercially,
I love that.
people when they pick them commercially, they get a big shaker and they put the on the base of the tree and shake them and catch.
Right,
catch it all.
everything, so that they
but
don't-
You don't
yeah.
pick them raw.
चलो ओके हम आ गए हैं मेल्योरा फार्म्स के अंदर हमें दिखा हमारा पहला एवोकाडो टू पिक देयर सो मेनी कैन यू सी ओह लुक एट दैट सो मेनी अभी कुछ हैं जो बहुत छोटे हैं और यहाँ पर भी और देखते हैं
You want to go inside?
देखिए ओ दिख रहा है यहाँ से भी ये लो
So this
Oh, so many. Can we take that?
yes, we can.
ये देखो इससे भी पता चलता है
Yeah.
जब ये बहुत ग्रीन होता है इसका मतलब है ये पक्का नहीं हुआ लाइक ही सेड कि कभी भी पेड़ पे नहीं राइप होता ये
Yeah.
जब ये अब तोड़ लो और थोड़े दिन रखो तो ये पार्ट ब्राउन होने लगता है उससे पता चलता है कि ये राइप हो गया है और लुक एट दैट ऊपर है जो हाँ ये तोड़ेगा कौन ऊपर जाके
तुम
ये वाले तोड़ो
कौन सा वाला?
ये वाला
ये वाला? ये तो
ऊपर
this one,
हाँ ये वाला
तो
कैसे तोड़ोगे ये वाला नहीं चाहिए
क्यों ठीक है?
कैसे ठीक है देखो साइड पर
I don't think so. It's bad.
आई डोंट थिंक सो चलो वो कह रहा था मैं रख लूँगा अगर आपको नहीं भी चाहिए तो हम नीचे नहीं फेंकेंगे और भी बहुत सारे हैं इस वाले पेड़ पे तो भरा पड़ा ये पेड़ बट इट्स गुड चलो आगे चलते हैं और देखते हैं साइज देखो इनका जरा अपने हाथ में दिखाना जरा
ये नहीं है. I think this is pretty big, yeah.
आई नो लुक एट दैट पूरा हैंड कवर कर रहा है Okay, here we are for the next variety of avocados. They are not the long ones. They are like round cannonballs, like the person said.
ये देखो ना.
दिखाओ. Oh, look at that. That's called treasure hunt for me. Wow.
Oh, look at that size.
ये उससे भी बड़ा है ना?
It's like a mango. Oh, बड़ा size है.
Like your hand is not small, right? Like
Yeah. You hold it.
it's light, very light, है ना? Mushroom उगे हुए हैं क्या? That looks so.
Oh, this looks like reishi mushroom to me. It's not red, but उसकी formation वैसी ही है.
Are you sure ये कोई plant का disease नहीं है?
I don't know, but reishi mushroom इसी पे उगता है जैसे कोई wood का log होता है ना, उसी पे उगता है.
मशरूम
बट ये मुझे नहीं लग रहा मशरूम।
मशरूम ही है बट वी डोंट नो इफ इट्स रेशी मशरूम बिकॉज रेशी इज लाइक रेड कलर
ये देखो।
ओह लुक एट दिस साइज डूड
आई नो ये देखो, यहाँ देखो।
मेरे को तो लग रहा है छोटे वाले छोड़ के ये लेने
हाँ
चाहिए
वही कह तो रही हूँ ना, ले लेंगे ना वही।
बस हो गए
हाँ आई थिंक वी आर डन फॉर।
कितने हो कितने बता ओह माय गॉड
बट लुक एट द साइज मैन, वो दूसरे वाले तो बहुत ही छोटे लग रहे हैं। चलो एवोकाडोस तो ले लिए हैं हमने 10 एंड दे विल टेक टाइम टू राइप एज वेल। ज़्यादा लिए तो सारे राइप इकट्ठे हो जाएंगे तो ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर में सिर्फ एवोकाडो खाने पड़ेंगे। वी ऑल लाइक guacamole a lot, so we love eating that. So it's a very simple recipe.
दे आर लशियस हाँ ये देखो गुच्छे के गुच्छे हैं
कितना देती है ना हमें नेचर।
आई नो हम तब भी कंप्लेन करते रहते हैं
आई नो, पता नहीं क्या। जब भी फार्म में आओ ना, यू फील यू आर सो ब्लेस्ड।
या
जो पता है राइप है ना, यू डू दिस,
हाँ।
जैसे खींचने नहीं पड़ रहे उनको, ये खींचना पड़ रहा है। उसके साथ ना दूसरे और निकल के आते हैं, विच इज नॉट नाइस।
हैंडफुल
या
व्हाट डिड यू गॉट
इट्स अ kumquat.
दिखाओ
Looks like a mini orange or lemon kind of bit, but इससे salads भी बनाते हैं लोग और jams. So yeah,
क्या है ये व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू डू
this is a bergamot lemon, which is like, it says it's a mix of orange and a lemon, and it's very fragrant. अगर आप इसका लीफ भी देखो ना, very fragrant है जो।
ये पूरी है मेरे ख्याल से रो उसी की ना
हाँ चलो देखते हैं। आई थिंक ये डीपर ग्रीन होगा ना, उसका अच्छा है।
समता हैज गॉन क्रेजी शी इज लाइक कौन से हंट पे है तू आज
bergamot lemon के, they smell so good man। मैंने कुछ पत्ते भी ले लिए, मुझे इसके पत्ते भी इतने अच्छे लगे। उस पर एक टिनू सा लगा हुआ है। चले लेट्स
हो गया बैग फुल
या
एंड हार्ट फुल
या
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस। अब रात के हो चुके हैं 12 एडिटिंग करते हुए, सो आई विल टेक योर लीव एंड दिस वाज डे 3। डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। सी यू इन द डे 4 वीडियो। चीयर्स, बाय।